So now let's talk about dictionaries. Dictionaries are just like tuples or list, but there's a different way in defining the values inside it or accessing the values from the dictionary. So let's do it. I want to define a dictionary variable and I want to give it a list of values, and I can give it with the curly braces, and within it, rather than assigning it direct values, I want to assign keys to those values, like in single quotes colon Umer, and after that I want to give it phone colon, and let's say I 1 2 3 4, and let's add third value, and third value is like age, and it is 25. Okay, so what's going on here? If you have worked with JavaScript objects or any other language, you must know how to define objects, or if you have worked with JSON data types, then you must know that how to structure JSON with these columns. So what's going on here? This is the key, and this key is used to refer to this value. This is the key, and this key is referred to this value. These are just like rooms in a house, and in order to enter in our house we must have a key in our hand. Like, we can't directly access our keys, we need to have keys to access the values that are that can be opened with the help of that key, and we can have multiple keys from that dictionary. And in order to access the values from that dictionary, I should not be exposed the values directly. Instead, I should use the keys to access the values from that dictionary. So let's print, and inside the print I need to use a variable dictionary, and after that I need to use this square brackets, and after that in the single quotes or the double quotes I can write any key. Like if I want to fetch out age, I can write age inside it. Okay, if I run my file now, you can see that it will return me 25 rather than the age string. So age key has been used to access its value right here. Okay, and I can change the key. Like if I want to access the phone, I can change the key from age to phone, and it will return me the phone number. Okay, and if I try to access any value from a like different key, and that key is not existing inside my dictionary, like I write ABC, and ABC is not the key in this dictionary variable. Okay, and it will return me an error because this ABC key doesn't exist in this dictionary. Now if I want to update any value for any key, like if I want to update the phone number right here from this value to another value, I can do it like this. Let's first bring it back over phone key, and if I want to update the value, I can directly write dictionary key and equals to, I can give it any value like this one. Okay, now if I run my file, you can see that it will return me the updated value, and this is how we can update the values using the keys. Now if I want to, I have created a dictionary and I want to add another key and value pair inside this dictionary, I can do it as well. I can't directly print that out, but if I write like this, if I write roll number, and roll number is 1 like this, okay, and this roll number is going to be added in this dictionary, means that this is going to be created in this form, like roll number, this one, and it will be creating colon after this, and after that it's going to assign its value as 1. Okay, and if I try to fetch out a key roll number, that doesn't exist right here, but I have created it dynamically after creating the dictionary, and let's see if it returns me the value of this roll number from that dictionary or not. you can see that it appended this key in that dictionary. That's why I was able to fetch out the value of that roll number. All right, and same as I have explained you how to delete tuples, we can also delete dictionaries just like tuples, and I can use del keyword in order to delete the dictionary. Okay, and I can directly write the name of my dictionary in order to delete the dictionary. If I want to delete any particular key value pair within the dictionary, I can directly write the name of key. If I want to delete the name of a roll number, I can write roll number. Okay, and it's going to delete out the roll number key I created after creating the dictionary, and I added the dynamic roll number key in that dictionary. And after that, let's print out this one, and after deleting the roll number, I am printing roll number again. Okay, so let's run our file, and you can see that it printed out 1 right here, because right here the roll number was available. And after that, I deleted the key roll number from that dictionary, and after I tried roll number value again to be printed, and it has returned me error that roll number key doesn't exist in that dictionary, because I have deleted the roll number key from that dictionary. All right, and just like tuples or list, we have different functions to for the dictionaries, just like the length. If I want to print out the length of that dictionary, I can use length keyword, len, and I can write the name of my dictionary. Okay, let's remove these 4 lines and let's run our file. You can see that it has returned me 3 from here, because the total number of key value pairs, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, differentiated by these commas, and it has returned me 3 because there are 3 key value pairs. And there are other functions like we can have print dictionary dot keys. So these are the built-in functions within Python for the dictionaries. What it's gonna do, it's gonna return me all the keys from that dictionaries, not the values. Okay, and if I run my file, you can see that it has returned me an array of all the keys. The phone is the key, name is the key, age is the key. These are the keys. Okay, and if I want to fetch out the values, I can simply write values. And if I run my file again, you can see that it has returned me an array of all the values. It has first returned me this one, then this one, and it is changing the order, and we can't control the order. It is automatically randomizing the order that which value should be printed or which key should be printed. If I run my file again, it will be randomized again. So let's run it. You can see that above it was name, age, and after that it randomized again name, phone, and then age, and it is also randomized. And there are a bunch of other functions for the dictionaries. Let's go, you can check out in the Python docs to find out what are different functions that we can use in the dictionaries, and what are the different functions that we can use with the dictionary variables. So that's it for the dictionaries.